Are you tired of spending hours online without seeing any real money? What if I told you that you could earn over $150 a day from the comfort of your home, no matter where you are in the world? And it's completely free to start. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal a method that could change your financial game forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret method that allows you to make over $150 a day with zero investment, and as a complete beginner. This method works for people in every country, and trust me, I've tested it myself. So if you've been searching for a legit way to make money online, this is your golden ticket. Now, I know some of you may have heard of similar offers before, but today, I'll be introducing you to a powerful tool that makes this whole process possible and super easy. The first step is to download and install Octo browser. You can find the link to it in the description and pinned comment below. Octo browser is an anti-detect browser designed specifically for people like you who want to earn money online by managing multiple accounts on websites from different countries. It's super simple. You'll be able to create proxies and manage accounts on any website without the risk of getting banned. Why does this matter? Well, certain websites like FreeCash and other money-making platforms pay more in different countries. For example, if you're from a Tier 3 country like India, you may only get paid a few dollars for completing a task. But with Octo browser, you can create accounts from countries like the US, UK, or Canada, where the rewards are much higher. Let's dive into how it works. So, imagine you're completing an offer on a website like FreeCash. Maybe you earn $6 for downloading an app. But what if I told you that by creating a new account from the United States using Octo browser, you can earn $50 for the same task? Here's the secret. By multi-accounting using Octo browser, you can access high-paying offers available in other countries, all from the comfort of your own device. Just make sure to use a different email every time you create a new account. Example, I'm earning $200 plus a day by completing these offers on multiple accounts from different countries. On my US-based account, I earned $143, and on my UK-based account, I earned over £200. Now let me show you how easy it is to get started. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on Octo browser. You can create one using your Gmail or any email address. After verifying your email, you'll download and install the Octo browser app on your device. Once you open the browser, you can create profiles that look like they're logging in from different countries. This way, your accounts will never look suspicious, because Octo browser ensures your device appears to be in a new location. You don't need a VPN, which is risky and doesn't work well. Octo browser is designed to keep everything safe and secure, while also offering you the best features for managing multiple accounts at once. Here's the part where it gets even better. Once you're inside the Octo browser, you can create as many profiles as you want. Each profile can have its own location, IP address, and browser fingerprint, which helps you complete tasks from different countries. You can even bulk create profiles using proxies from the United States or other countries for free. Plus, I'll show you how to get free proxies from webshare.io, which offers 10 proxies for free without needing a credit card. After that, you can launch multiple profiles and start working on different money-making websites, ensuring that you're always earning at full potential. Now, I know some of you may be wondering about the costs of Octo browser. Don't worry, because I've got a great offer for you. If you sign up using the promo code Octoly, you can get 2 months free with the Octoly subscription. This plan lets you create 3 profiles, which is perfect to start making money right away. Even if you miss the Halloween offer, you can still grab 4 free days with the promo code CashPro and access 10 profiles for free. Here's the best part. Octo browser not only helps you make money, but you can also earn passive income through referrals. By sharing your referral link, you can earn 15% of the payments made by anyone who subscribes to Octo browser using your link. And that's it. With Octo browser, you can start earning up to $150 per day, or even more, by simply multi-accounting on high-paying money-making websites. All it takes is a little setup and the right tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you want me to show you my live withdrawal proof from free cash, smash that like button and let's aim for 4,000 likes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.